I'm going to demystify some crypto tech jargon for you so that the next time you're listening to a conversation about it, you can participate. I'm going to rapid fire this list, and if I miss anything or you want to know about one that's not on the list, just ask. I got you. First, I'm going to hit wallets, which are basically just an account that you can create once and then take with you different places instead of having to make a new one every single time. The catch is that you are responsible for your wallet. You hold the keys, no middle people. Let's roll right into keys, which are basically just special passwords that give whoever has them the ability to do things with the crypto or the wallet in question. Gas fees are kind of what they sound like. It's the cost to fuel whatever you're doing in the space. It's the fee that you have to pay to the platform or to the blockchain itself that makes what you're doing happen. A dApp is a decentralized app, which is kind of funny because most of them aren't really decentralized, but the whole idea here is basically that's just a fancy term for crypto-related application. Staking is the practice of locking or committing your cryptocurrency to the network that it lives on in order to help secure that network and in order to earn rewards for your service. You can think about it very much like putting your money in a bank, which helps that bank make more money, which can earn you some interest. Liquidity pools are just pots of money that individuals can trade in and out of without having to rely on some bank or market or exchange to do the transacting for them. DEX stands for decentralized exchange, different from something like Coinbase, which is a centralized exchange, meaning that a company controls it, versus the DEX, where there may be a bunch of developers that all collectively work on it, but no one person is in control of the exchange. A DAO, D-A-O, stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization, and it's basically just a group within the crypto space who gets to vote on what the group does. And they can range from a whole myriad of different topics and purposes. TVL is an acronym that stands for Total Value Locked, which basically just means how much money is currently sitting on or inside of one of these decentralized exchanges or other dApps. That's a good one to dig into a little more because it's often misrepresented and not all platforms are created equal when it comes to TVL and what that means. APY stands for Annual Percentage Yield. It's a measurement of how much interest you're going to earn for doing something. And the most important question that you can ask yourself whenever you're looking at that interest rate is where does it come from? What supplies it? Last, rug pull is something that gets used all over the place, basically to talk about any scam, but it's actually a very specific kind of scam wherein whoever is running or funding or maintaining or building a particular thing inside of crypto takes all of the money and runs so that whoever's trying to trade in and out of something can't do that anymore. Think of it literally like pulling the rug out from underneath somebody. The language is confusing. A lot of it, to be honest, I find to be kind of intentional. I think we go a little bit overboard with the jargon. But if you learn the terms and you learn what they mean and you can pick them out in conversation, you are that much harder to lie to.